some basic command prompt commands. First, to go to command prompt, click on the Windows start button. Then you can type cmd for command. Okay. The first one, let's have a look at directory. It will show you all the files and folders that's actually saved in the current directory. If you want to change directory, let's say you want to go back, just change directory, cd space dot dot will take you back one folder. If I type in dir, it will again show me what's in that current directory. If I want to go to my memory stick, which is F drive, F colon, it will switch to my F drive. Then I can type dir for directory, and it will show me what files and folders is actually in that current folder. Let's open it using Windows. Let's go to my memory stick. You will see that there's two files, data.txt and info.txt, and then a folder just called A. There's info.txt, data.txt, and that folder called A. Another method that you can use is directly /W, then it will spread it out wide over the screen for you. But because there's only a few files and folders, it will not really have an effect. Another one that you can use, directly /P, it will pause every time when the screen is filled with files. Again, I only have 3 files or 2 files in a folder in that directory, so it will not really have an effect on my situation. Okay. Alright, next one is format. You can format a hard drive by typing in format space and then the drive that you want to format and then a colon. I'm not gonna do it now because I still want to use the files that's actually on my F drive. So I'm gonna delete that. If you want to clear your screen, it's CLS. It will clear the content that's actually on the screen. Alright, then it's some network commands. First one, ping. If you want to make sure that some device is actually connected on your network, you can type ping and then the IP address of that specific node or PC or device. Or you can actually ping a website like google.com and it will give you 4 replies, and you can actually check the speed and whether any connection was lost on during that ping. Another option is you can use the arrow keys to get the history. If I press the up key on my keyboard, I will be able to scroll through all my previous commands that I typed. Okay, so I'm going to go to the ping google.com one, and I'm going to say google.com T. Now it will continuously ping that device or node or website. It's a nice command to use when you suspect that your PC or device might be losing a connection. So you can let it run for a while, and then you can come back and have a look whether you had a request timeout or did the ping actually spike a lot. Maybe it got slow. If you want to stop this process, you can hold Control in on your keyboard and type C, Control C. It will exit that continuous ping. Okay, CLS to clear screen again. Now I'm gonna use ipconfig. ipconfig is for when you wanna check what your IP address of the device. The subnet mask will also show you the subnet mask, and it will also show you your default gateway. For example, if you are using a DHCP on your network and you dynamically received an IP address from your router or something, and you're not sure what is your IP address, it's always good to go to command prompt, type ipconfig, and then you can see the settings like your IP address, subnet mask, and your default gateway. Okay, now I'm going to switch over to my F drive, check the files. There's info, data.txt, and the folder A. So we're going to change some of the attributes of these files. Okay, so if I'm going to open it using Windows Explorer, you will see that there's two files and a folder. I'm going to right click on data, go to properties. At the moment the attributes will be not read only, and it will not be hidden. Okay, so I'm just going to change this info one as well. Not read only and not hidden. Okay, so I'm going to change the attribute. I'm going to add, so it's a plus H, and I want to change that for the file data.txt. Data.txt. Press enter. So now that file should be hidden. If I display the content in that folder, you will note that in data.txt is not there anymore, it's hidden. Same with your Windows, you will not be able to see that file again. If I want to unhide it again, I'm going to use my history by using the up key. I'm going to say -H. So now I'm going to take away that hidden attribute. Display the stuff in the directory, and you will also be able to see the info.txt again. Another option that you're going to have here is attrib plus R for read only. So I can make this file actually read only, and when you check the attributes of this file, you will see that it's read only now. So let's remove that read only, minus. Okay, so minus, it will take away the read only attribute. So it's not read only anymore. Okay, you can also use wildcards. Let's say you want to change or make all the files hidden in that specific folder, and say star, so it will make all the file names and all file extensions hidden inside that folder. Okay, let's just make that one a plus, not take away the hidden, we want to add the hidden attribute. Okay, so now it's hidden, you will not be able to see those two files anymore. If I want to take away the hidden or take it off again, I will just say attrib for attribute, then -H, and it will display all the files again. Okay, the last command that I'm going to show you, or the second one basically, is the second last one, is shutdown. So shutdown, and then shutdown /s, and you'll be notified that your PC is going to shut down. So if you want to quickly abort, you just shutdown /a. Okay, let's go back to the S one. You can also make it R, and then your PC will reboot again. Okay, so if you say shutdown space /R, your PC will reboot. If you add T space and then add an amount at the back, like 360, it's the amount of seconds that the user will have before this PC will reboot. Okay, so you can say shutdown /R/T for the time. So let's enter this one. It will show you that you have 6 minutes before this PC will shut down. Again, I'm gonna abort that command. Okay, so it will tell you that it was cancelled. And you can also do a shutdown in a certain amount of time. Shutdown. Let's say you want your PC to, or you want to leave your PC on for like 6 minutes or 30 minutes, then you can just calculate the amount of seconds that it will be, enter it into the last parameter. Sorry, I forgot the T there for time. And then shutdown will be scheduled for 20 minutes. And if you want to cancel that, you can just say abort. But if you leave it, your PC will shut down in 20 minutes time. So this one I'm going to show you now. Shutdown /reboot /fw/f/t and the 0. Now this command will automatically reboot your PC into your BIOS, so there will be no need for you to button bash F2 or delete to get into your BIOS. If you type this command in, automatically boot your BIOS after the restart. Okay, and if you want to go out of your command prompt again, you can just type in exit and that will go out.